All right, let's talk about the big question that everyone from first-time buyers to full-time investors is asking. Is the housing market finally stabilizing in 2025 after the roller coaster of the past few years with inflation, interest rate hikes, bidding wars, crashes that weren't quite crashes, and more opinions than a Facebook comment section? A lot of people are just trying to make sense of where things stand. So today I'm going to break down what I'm seeing in the market, what that means for you, and what smart investors are doing right now to take advantage. And as always, if you want to dive into your specific market or next deal, book a one-on-one call with me. We'll build your playbook together. So, is the market stabilizing? Technically, yes. Emotionally, that's up for debate. But let's start with the facts. Mortgage rates have been finally cooled off from their 2023 peak. After dancing dangerously close to 8%, we're now seeing a slow creep downwards. Most economists expect rates to stay in the 6 to 7 range for a while, which, believe it or not, is actually historically normal. I know that sounds insane if you only got into the real estate during the 3% fantasy era, but your parents would have killed for 7% in the 80s. Inventory is rising slightly, and I mean slightly. We're still well below what's considered a healthy supply in most major markets, especially in places like Southern California, Phoenix, Dallas, and parts of Florida. But we are seeing more sellers adjust to this new normal, a list of their properties more realistically. That's creating opportunities for savvy buyers, especially those who know how to negotiate. And if you don't, see my latest video. Now, here's the big shift. The days of anything sells no matter what are gone. In 2025, buyers are choosy, investors are cautious, and sellers, well, they're either adjusting or they're sitting, which means this is becoming a skills market. If you know how to run the numbers, structure a deal, and solve problems, you'll thrive. If you're just crossing your fingers and hoping for appreciation, you're probably going to sit on the sidelines. So where are we seeing the biggest shifts? Co-living is still booming, especially in cities where housing shortages. Value-add opportunities like cosmetic flips or small multifamily rehabs are outperforming the buy and pray rental model. And mobile home investing, still wildly underrated. I mean, affordable housing hasn't magically become more available, and the government still hasn't figured it out. So if you can provide clean, safe, affordable homes, you've got a demand. Now, a quick myth-busting moment. No, the market isn't crashing, but it's definitely correcting. That means overpriced properties are sitting and sellers who need to move are willing to deal. This is where your opportunity lies. While others panic or hesitate, you can be the one making creative offers, picking up properties with built-in equity, or locking down seller financing. Here's the bottom line. 2025 is not the year to sit and wait for perfect condition. It is the year to sharpen your strategy, know your numbers, build relationships, and get educated, because the market is stabilizing, but it's stabilizing at a different altitude. And the investors who thrive in this new environment, they're the ones who know how to adapt. So if you want to help navigating this market, book a one-on-one call with me. Whether you're buying your first deal, scaling your flips, or just trying to figure out how to make sense of your market, I've been there, and I'll help you out through the noise. The link is in the description. Grab a time that works for you. Now let's make 2025 your most strategic year yet. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly insights, and share this with someone who's still waiting for the crash. I'll see you on the next one.